Hey guys, it's Matt with Craft BBQ, and today we're going to be doing jalapeno poppers, and of course we got to wrap them in bacon. So we already have the jalapenos. They're soaking in water because we're going to try to get some of the oils reduced and make it not so spicy. We're also going to season the bacon before we put it on with Pitmasters Choice by Redneck Chef Boudreaux. I've tasted this just without anything, and it's really good. I can't wait to try it on some bacon. And we're going to also use Meat Church's Honey Hog, the spicy edition. And we'll see you back in 30 minutes when the jalapenos are all cooled down. So now that we're waiting for our jalapenos to cool off in the water bath we have for them, we're going to try this beer. This is a Bearded Fox. It's a local brewery out of Houston, Tomball area in Texas. It's called Aunt Rose. So I gave a healthy pour, and now we're going to see what it's about. Very good. Yeah, it's a biscuity malts, German hops, our most approachable ale. Distinctive red hue, malty character, and a true crowd favorite. That's no underestimate. This is actually a really good beer and a daily drinker. And we're back. These have been soaking for about 30-40 minutes, and we're going to fill them up with cream cheese, wrap them in bacon, and season. As you notice, I'm wearing gloves now, because my face is currently on fire. Yeah, I regret it already. So. Alright, now we have them all filled and wrapped. It's time to season them. So again, the first seasoning we're going to use is from Redneck Chef Boudreaux, called the Pitmaster's Choice. Really excited again to see this. Do 5 of them in here, little light rub. And then the next seasoning we're going to use is Meat Church's Honey Hog, the spicy edition. Really excited for those two. We'll season front and back also. Alright, in the meantime, we've had our smoker heating up at 225. We're going to put these on for an hour and a half to 2 hours until that bacon gets crispy and a good crunch when you bite into them. I'm going to put these bad boys on the smoker. We have our pit at 225 degrees, and we'll be back in about an hour and a half, 2 hours until they're crispy and ready to go. We've been here for about an hour, so let's check on these babies. They're starting to get a nice color and just waiting for that crunch. Probably about 30 more minutes and they'll be ready. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we just pulled these off. They're at 225 for about 2 hours, and I'm really excited to try the Pitmaster's Favorite by Redneck Chef Boudreaux, so here we go. Those are good. I don't know if you can see the color, but they're great. And that seasoning is really great too. Wow. Excellent. Go ahead and give Redneck Chef Boudreaux a follow, a like. He's on Instagram, Redneck Chef Boudreaux. And you know Meat Church Congregation for their Honey Hog, their hot barbecue. And don't forget to DM us what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.